Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Thursday, March 24, 2022. So we are only 1 week left in for the month of March. So we have 5 more trading days. So let's take a look and to see how the historical market tendency they're going to do for April. So based on the seasonality, that you heard the term of people that you say that sell in May and go away. So we have 1 month of April to get into May. So based on the historical study since 2010, the S&P 500 has both a positive return in April. It's around 92% of the time. So 11 out of 12 years. The only 1 year that they are being down is the year 2012. And the Nasdaq have been positive return in April about 70% of the time. So we are not recommend to trade based on the seasonality, but however we look at the historical to see where the market heading to. Now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see where they are. So the first chart you look at here, that's the S&P 500, the future year. As you can see that in February 24, 2022, so we said that the market be able to build the support level here to they come back, they retest, and then they hold up. Now they point it to a upside. So the momentum, they flip back to the upside. So the price right now we're able to close above 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average. So the market, it tend to find a way to push it back up. How high they will go, okay, time will tell. But at this moment, I think the odds for the market to come back and go below here, it's very slim. So the market is on the way up here. Of course, they will have to pull back, okay, on the way. But the overall seems like the market be able to break the downtrend line and now continue to head it up. So we will monitor it and we will update to you. But the overall, a lot of stock to be able to find the support. They all bow up very nicely. So you can see that the major stock they already be able to put it back up to the upside. So that's a very good sign that the market is stabilized and found the support at this level here. And so if you look at the Nasdaq, you also see it very strong here. Now they'll be able to break out trend line. They continue to put it back up. On the way up, we have some resistance here, but definitely it's a very bullish mode. As you can see, it's the last more than half week here. They continue to pump up to the upside. The Dow is also very strong. They break out, they come back retest, and then they get stuck here a little bit, but overall momentum is still bullish here. The Russell 2000, they come back right into the level used to be a support, now become a resistance. But they put it back up, they not come down, so they go sideways. So they tell you that the market is trying to find a way to get back and punch to this level in the future here also. If you look at the crude oil is still pulled back right into the support area, and now they put it back up on the way up. We have some resistance here, but overall trend is still bullish. So watch out for this level to see it. If they can break out this level here, they will continue to put it back up. Otherwise, they will be a choppy sideways here. The gold is also try to find the way up also after they pull back to the support. Now they looking forward to push it up to the upside also. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin, eventually they'll be able to break out this downtrend line here. And like we mentioned to you on Tuesday, if they break this level here, they will continue to put it back up. So today they have a strong breakout at the downtrend line, continue to put it back up. They have some resistance here that they failed to break out before. But if they can carry up momentum here, they can clear that area, and it's much more to go in the future. The Ethereum is also similar. They break out, like we show you, and the last 4 or 5 days, they continue to push it back up. Momentum is turned to the upside. So it looks like more buyer on the Ethereum because cheaper price. So this guy is looking for to put it up much faster than the Bitcoin there. Now, if you take a look on the 11 sector of the S&P 500, you can see that the XLB continue to rumble to the upside. They clear all the resistance here and push it up very strong to the upside, as you can see, and a lot of stock that we give it to you, like NEM, okay, continue to make it high. The active, it's very strong move, okay, LIN, right? So those stock that we shows you since last weekend and continue to rumble to the upside. The XLC, another sector that be able to find a way. If they can clear this resistance here, they will have more room to come, and a lot of stock at bottom out, like Facebook, right? You can see here, Google, right? And those stock continue to push it up to the upside. The energy sector is still bullet. However, they're getting choppy here because they have a strong sales on here. So let's see what they're going to do here. If they continue to go up, they have to clear this sales on. Otherwise, this one will be a strong resistance reset this area here. So watch out for that. If you look at the let me see, XL energy. Okay, so a lot of strong stock in this one, it's like ExxonMobil, as you can see here, right? To try to back up again, very choppy, so I have to be careful. PXD is still pretty strong there. OXY, okay. So those stocks they start give it up from the top. So do not try to chase it, because if the XLE fails to make a high there, and a lot of oil stock will be in the correction. Okay, so don't chase it. On the top here, it's dangerous. The financial sector, it also puts it back up after they run up, they pull back, retest, it still hold tight to the upside, and a lot of stuff that we show you, like American Express, still hold tight there. JP Morgan, it still hold tight to the upside. Visa, for example, so those stocks are still pretty strong there. If you look at the XLI, which is the industrial, they are still rumble to the upside. However, watch out for this trend line resistance there. And you can see that a lot of stock that we show you for the last couple of weeks, like Capitella, it hit to almost close to the top there. UPS, okay, that's another one that they pull back down also. And Honeywell, we give out still strong there to fight a way up. Okay, John Deere, that's another strong one also. And XLK, which is a strong technology sector, they are doing extremely well now. They'll be able to break out, so they give you more clue that the Nasdaq will continue to rumble to the upside there. And then you can see that a lot of stuff that we show you last 2 weeks, like Apple, continue to rumble to the upside. MSLT, Microsoft, it's also another strong one. NVDA, right? So those stocks are leader of the of XLK, as you can see here, they continue. So today, NVIDIA be able to break out the strong resistance here. They fell, and today they punched to it. So the momentum pick up on the semiconductor sector also, as you can see here, very well. XLPE with the consumer stable, it also try to find a way to catch up, even though they pull back down. So now they're looking for to put it back up. We still have a strong resistance there. But some stock there are still doing pretty good there, like Coca-Cola, right? Pepsi Coca-Cola, and then Costco, for example. Costco doing extremely well too. They come back and reset that level again. The real estate sector, it pulled back down. They are still a little bit choppy because of higher interest rate, but housing is still in high demand. And if you can look some stock here, let's say like PLD, they pull back, but it's still in the uptrend. So the pullback may be a good opportunity that you can monitor that for the while back up again. PSA, let me see, PSA, that's another public storage, it's still pretty strong there. Let's say CCI, Okay, yep, this one here, it goes sideways. If they can clear this resistance here, more uptrend to come. The energy sector, it also show some momentum here, as you can see here. And they can clear it one here, that will be a nice breakout by here. So monitor it, and some stock there like NEE, right? This one here, another big bay. If they can clear here, it's more to come. DVN. Let me see here. DVN. Okay, this is another strong one. Also, they hang tight to the upside. Or AEP. Okay, so still those stocks are still pretty strong there. XLV, which is the healthcare, it's also continue to put it up. It's still high low. The trend is still bullish, as you can see, and a lot of stock in this sector like Pfizer, they go up, they pull back a little bit, and then before they can start moving again. BMY, okay, that's another strong one there. ABBV, okay, this one here is so strong there, as you can see there. And SYK, that's another one that try to come back up also. And the last one is the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary. It's also strong there, and then they were able to break out, stay about it, pull back, retest, and it's still moving very well. And you can see that a lot of stock in this sector like Tesla, okay, TSLA have been run up strongly to the upside, and Amazon, right, it's also strong move to the upside, and McDonald's, for example, they're doing very well. Okay, so you can see that a lot of sector will be able to turn around. So it's a broad-based move back up. So it's very helpful for the major industry like S&P 500, Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Russell 2000 to find a strong support, and we're looking forward to put it up. So before we head into May, so based on historical 30, April, it will be a potential profitable month for the stock market. So let's see how they are going to do for the coming up April. So I think that's all I have for you on the market update. And beside these stocks, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist, Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily, like Microsoft, like Nvidia, that we'll show you, and they're doing great. Okay, so we will analyze them in detail with the entry targets so that you can follow. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis, and please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. And if you want to learn more how to use technical analysis to analyze the chart, and you can check out our website at stocknavigator.com, or you can click the show more link below and watch our free webinar there. Again, so thank you very much for watching, and then I'm looking forward to see you on the weekly market forecast for next week. Take care and good luck, everyone.